Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon grill pan. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your salmon fillets. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels to help achieve that perfect crispy skin. Next, brush both sides of each fillet with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Finally, season them generously with 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, or your favorite blend. Now let's get grilling. Preheat your grill pan over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until it's nice and hot. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, onto the hot grill pan. Cook them for 4 to 6 minutes on this side. Then, gently flip the fillets and cook for another 4 to 6 minutes on the other side until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Once your salmon is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the grill pan. Let the fillets rest for about 2 minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping the fish moist and tender. Finish by squeezing fresh lemon juice over each piece. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish your delicious salmon with some fresh dill or parsley before serving. Enjoy your perfectly grilled salmon. For the best results, avoid overcrowding your grill pan. Cook the salmon in batches if needed to maintain consistent heat. To ensure your salmon is perfectly cooked and safe to eat, use a meat thermometer. It should reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This guarantees a tender, flaky result every time. And speaking of great finds, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.